We have some breaking updates. Amazon says its Amazon Web Services region in Bahrain has been disrupted following a drone activity amid the current conflict in the Middle East. The disruption is due to a drone activity in the area, is what an Amazon spokesperson has said. So those are the details we are picking up at this point. Let's go straight across to Vishal on this. Vishal, drone activity being witnessed as a result of which Amazon Web Services region in Bahrain has been disrupted. If you can take us through the details of the disruption, the damage and the security concerns as well.
Well, the concerns were always there because if you can go back to the first week of the war, Iran had clearly listed out some about 10 to 15 data centers across West Asia that were in their scope of targets, and that is what they have been trying to attack. There were many attacks before this as well on various data centers across West Asia, and this time this is reported by Reuters that Amazon Web Services Center has been attacked, and a drone seems to be responsible for this, and Amazon has reportedly said that it is helping migrate customers to alternate Amazon Web Services regions. So as we speak, these mitigation activities are going on. This can take some time before the services are restored because these tech things take time to re-engage, and they'll take some more time to mitigate the damage that has already been done. So Iran is trying to attack on all fronts. The scope of the attacks has been increasing every day. They have attacked desalination plants, they have attacked energy facilities. Now they are also attacking these web service regions. This will be another level of escalation, and this is far from whatever Trump has been trying to portray in the last 12 hours, that there will be a 5-day pause.
All right, data centers also being targeted now. Thank you, Vishal, for getting those details.